There is a conversation you keep having in your head. You've had it 100 times. You know every line. You know exactly what you should have said and what they should have answered, and yet you keep going back to it. Your brain has a toxic default setting. When you're stressed or lying awake at 3 a.m., it goes somewhere familiar. A memory, an argument, a version of events it keeps trying to rewrite. Psychologists call this the default mode network. Most people just call it overthinking. Today, for the backdrop of this phenomenon, we are walking through Rome, a city that holds the secret of why your mind is doing this and the uncomfortable truth of what it actually is costing you. Your brain isn't going back to that loop because it's broken. It's going back to protect you. The past is a closed book. It can't surprise you. It can't reject you or do anything you don't already expect. To a brain wired for survival, that predictability feels like safety. But here is where it gets dangerous. Every time your mind replays that argument and you finally say the right thing, your brain releases a tiny hit of dopamine, the chemical that feels like winning. You're not just stuck in a loop, you're literally addicted to it. And while you're there winning fake arguments, real life is happening on the other side of your attention. You think you are resting in those memories, but your body is constantly running the same exact stress chemicals as the original event. Cortisol, adrenaline. You're essentially re-traumatizing yourself on repeat voluntarily. Look underneath these Roman streets. Empire on top of empire. Civilization built directly on top of ruins. Nothing here was ever fully resolved. The Roman Empire fell, but the city didn't stop. The Colosseum was never completed as originally intended, yet the city built around it anyway. 2,000 years of unfinished business, and life kept moving right through it. Rome never waited for closure. It never got the perfect ending it deserved. It just kept building directly on top of the incomplete. Your brain has a deep compulsion to return to unfinished business until it feels complete. This is actually called the Zeigarnik effect. That's what your mental loops are trying to do. Find an ending that makes sense. But here's the truth Rome has been living for 2 millennia. Closure is not something that happens to you. It's something you decide. The loop doesn't break because you finally win the argument inside your head. It breaks when you stop going back. You don't have to fix it forever or all at once. Just once, right when you notice the loop starting. Refuse to step into it. Instead, step into what's actually in front of you. A street, a sound, a single moment that's happening right now and will never happen again. Your brain will fight this. It wants that familiar chemical reward of the replay. But every single time you choose the present over rerun, you weaken the loop signal. You build a new baseline anchored in what's real, not what's safe. Stop trying to rewrite history that's already been printed. Let the ending be messy. Let it be unfinished. Look at the ground beneath you. Drop the argument and answer the only question that matters. What are you going to build on top of it?